At number 1, we have the Shine Armor Leather Cleaner. This is the best leather cleaner you can buy on the market and combines cleaning and conditioning in a single pH-balanced formula that effectively penetrates deep into leather surfaces. This 2-in-1 solution contains a blend of oils and protective compounds that replenish essential moisture while removing dirt and grime. The formula works by seeping into leather's pores to restore natural oils, preventing common issues like drying, cracking, and premature aging. A notable feature is its UV protection component, which helps preserve leather's color and prevents fading from sun exposure. The product is versatile enough for use on all leather colors and types, making it suitable for car interiors, furniture, and accessories. Its non-toxic formulation is free from harsh chemicals that could potentially damage leather surfaces. The cleaner creates a protective barrier against daily wear, spills, and stains while maintaining the leather's natural luster. Application is straightforward, requiring only a microfiber cloth and clean surface to achieve professional-grade results. For optimal leather care, the product should be applied in circular motions and allowed to dry completely before use.